continue with problems with quadratic equations. This is the last part today. So we'll complete this chapter today. So question number 1. Let's take some more examples. Question says, the sum of ages of Vivek and his younger brother Amit is 47 years. Sum of their ages is 47 years. The product of their ages is 550 years. Find their ages. So since sum is 47 years, so let Vivek's age be x years. Therefore, Amit's age, since sum is 47, so it will be ages will be 47 minus x years because sum is 47. Okay. Now, therefore, question says that their product of their ages is 550. So x into 47 minus x equal to 550. So because product is 550 given in the question. So if you open the bracket, you get 47 x minus x square equal to 550. So since x square is negative, so take it to RHS and take this also to RHS and write everything in the LHS. So what you get? X square then minus 47 x plus 550 equal to 0. Because you are taking this term to RHS, so x square minus will be plus, plus will be minus, and this you are not changing, so remain as it is. Now we have to break up the middle term. Okay, so we factorize 550. So 2 will go here, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. So 3 will go here, 3 9s are 27. So 3 cannot divide. Okay, so 5 should divide. 5 5s are 25. So 5 5s are 25. Okay, so again 10 and 55 will not give you, so 5 will go 11 times. So 5 5s are 25, 15 11 will not give you, so we make the groups. So if you make 11 into 22 and 5 5 is 25, and 25 and 22 will give you 47. So two numbers are 25 and 22. Okay, so this will give you x square minus 25x minus 22x plus 550 equal to 0, because when you add you get 47, so sign should be same. So if you take common now, x common, you get x minus 25, and minus 22 common, you get x minus 25 equal to 0, because minus sign when you take common, plus will change to minus. So when you multiply you get it back. So if you take common, once again x minus 25 here, so what is left? X minus 22 equal to 0. So applying zero product rule, either x minus 25 equal to 0 or x minus 20 equal to 0. This implies x equal to 25 or 22. Okay, so now if x equal to 25, then 47 minus x equal to 47 minus 25 equal to 22. So ages are 25 and 22. Now check the other value also. If x is 22, then 47 minus 22 will give you 25. Okay, but x is Vivek's age. He's an elder brother. He's Amit's younger brother. So therefore, Vivek's age equal to x equal to 25 years, and Amit's age is equal to 22 years, because it is 47 minus. So these are the answers. Okay, because Vivek is elder brother, and Amit is younger brother. So 25 and 22. Okay, now we'll take one more age problem here. Okay, this was a simple question. Now next question number 2. 2 years ago, a man's age was 3 times the square of his daughter's age. After 3 years, or 3 years hence, his age will be 4 times her age. Find their present ages. So we'll suppose the present age of a man, okay, or 2 years ago man's age was 3 times square of his daughter's age. So we can suppose man's age 3 years ago. Okay, so man's age was 3 times the square of daughter's age. So let the daughter's age is 3 years ago be x years. Okay, then therefore man's age how much? The question says sorry, it is 2 years ago, so let's take 2 years ago. Okay, 3 years is later, after 3 years. So 2 years ago, let daughter's age be x years. Question says 2 years ago man's age was 3 times the square of daughter's age. So man's age was 3 times square of daughter's age, 3x square. Okay, so therefore present ages now. Therefore daughter's present age is equal to x plus 2, because this was 2 years ago, now it will be 2 years more, and man's present age will be, it was 3x square, so 3x square plus 2, because now he will also be 2 years old. Okay, now after 3 years, so after 3 years, so daughter's age will be x plus 2 plus 3, that is x plus 5, because at present x plus 2, so after 3 years will be 3 more, so x plus 2 plus 3, so x plus 5 years, and man's age will be 3x square plus 2 plus 3, that is 3x square plus 5 years. Okay, because after 3 years his age will be 3 years more. But now question says after 3 years his age will be 4 times her age, daughter's age. So his age will be 4 times daughter's age. So therefore, according to question, his age 3x square plus 5 is equal to 4 times daughter's age, x plus 5. This is the equation. Because after 3 years his age will be 4 times daughter's age. Okay, so if you open the bracket, what you get? 3x square plus 5 equal to 4x plus 4 5 is 20. Now bring to LHS. So 3x square minus 4x and 5 minus 20 will be minus 15 equal to 0. So if you factorize, product is 15 into 3, 45. So if you factorize 45, 3 will go 15 times, 3 will go 5 times. So age is 4. So 9 minus 5 is 4. So 9 and 5 will take. So this implies 3x square minus 9x plus 5x minus 15 equal to 0. We have to take opposite sign because we have to subtract. If you have to add, you have to take the same sign. So 3x if you take common, you get x minus 3 plus 5 if you take common, you get x minus 3 equal to 0. So if you take x minus 3 common once again, so what you get? 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so either x minus 3 equal to 0 or 3x plus 5 equal to 0 implies x equal to 3 or x equal to 5 by 3. Okay, so here 5 by 3, this is a fractional, so we have taken x years, so we take x equal to 3. Therefore x equal to 3 we take, this is neglected. Okay, 5 by 3 is neglected. So now question says find their present ages. So present ages are x plus 2 and this one. So we put the value x here. So daughter's present age equal to x plus 2, that is 3 plus 2 equal to 5 years. Again, father man's present age is equal to 3x square plus 2, that is 3 into 3 square plus 2. So 3 square 9 and 27, 29. So 29 years. So 5 years and 29 years are the answers. Okay. Now these are the S problems. Now we'll take some mensuration problem once again. We have done some previously in the previous class. So let's do question number 3 now. So length of hypotenuse of right triangle. So right triangle here. Okay. So it says length of hypotenuse exceeds one side by 2 cm and exceeds twice the other side by 1 cm. So if this is x, then hypotenuse will be x plus 2, because x is by 2. If this is y, then it exceeds twice the other side by 1 cm. Okay, so this will be 2y minus 1, because it exceeds twice the other side by exceeds, it is plus, so it exceeds twice the other side by 1. So twice the other side, 2y plus 1. So here you write, let the two sides be x and y. So therefore x plus 2 is the hypotenuse equal to 2y plus 1, because both are hypotenuse. So x plus 2 equal to 2y plus 1. So this will give you the value of x equal to 2y plus 1 minus 2, that is 2y minus 1. Equation number 1. Okay. So also this is a right angle triangle, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So we can write here this equation as 2y plus 1 whole square is equal to x square plus y square. So if you put the value of x here, so equation number 2. So therefore from 1 and 2, what we get? 2y plus 1 whole square is equal to value of x is 2y minus 1, 2y minus 1 whole square plus y square. So only y is there. Now we can solve for y. So if you simplify this one, you get a square means 2y whole square. A square plus 2 into a plus into b, 2ab plus b square equal to a square minus 2 into 2y into 1 plus 1 square plus y square. Okay, so it will be 4y square plus 4y plus 1 equal to 4y square minus 4y plus 1 plus y square. So 4y square get cancelled from two sides, 1 also gets cancelled. Similarly, these two have opposite sides, you can cancel. So if you take to the other side, so you get y square minus 4y equal to 0. There is no constant term left here. Okay, so this will give you y square minus 8y equal to 0. So if you take y common, y minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, so this implies y equal to 0, or y equal to 8. Okay, so you take therefore y equal to 8. So y equal to 0 is neglected, because the side cannot be, okay, cannot be negative, cannot be 0 or negative. So if y equal to 8, then what is x equal to? So therefore x equal to, we have x equal to 2y minus 1. So 2 into 8 minus 1, that is 2 is the 16 minus 1, so it will be 15. Okay, so at the other side, hypotenuse is x plus 2. So therefore x plus 2 is equal to, x is 15, so 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So therefore three sides are, we have three sides are 15, 8 and 17 centimeter, and centimeter. Okay, these are the three sides, 15, 8 and 17. Now question is find the area and perimeter. So therefore area is equal to right angle triangle, so it is half into base into perpendicular, so that is half into base is y equal to, we have 8, perpendicular is x equal to, we have 15, so 2 will go here, 4 times 15, so 60 centimeter square. So this is area. Okay, so perimeter means at all the sides, so three sides are 15, 8 plus 17, so 7, 5, 12, so 0, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so 40 centimeters. So this is the area, 60 centimeters is the area, 60 centimeters square is the area, and 40 centimeters is the perimeter. Okay, now we take the last question. That is also mensuration problem. These are little difficult questions. Okay. Now number 4. Question number 4 is, if twice the area of smaller square is subtracted from the area of larger square, the result is 14 centimeters square. If twice the area of smaller square is subtracted from area of larger square, then the result is 14 centimeters square. If twice area of larger square is added to 3 times area of smaller square, then result is 203 centimeters square. Find the sides of two squares. Okay, so let x be the side of smaller square and y be the side of larger square. Okay, so therefore first question says, first condition says, if twice the area of smaller square is subtracted from area of larger square. So area of larger square is y square minus twice area of smaller square. So if you subtract, x square is the area of smaller square, y square is the area of larger square. Okay, that you know. So if twice the area of smaller square is subtracted from area of larger square, and the result is how much? 14. Okay, this implies y square is equal to 14 plus 2x square. So equation number 1. So also we have another condition given there. If twice the area of larger square, means 2y square, is added to, means plus 3 times area of smaller square, and the result is 203. Okay, so equation number 2. So we got 2 equations. Now what you do, from 1 and 2, we put the value y square in equation 2. So we get 2 into 14 plus 2x square. Okay, the 2y square plus 3x square is equal to 203. This implies, if you open the bracket, 28 plus 4x square, 2 to the 4, plus 3x square is equal to 203. So this implies 4x square plus 3x square will be 7x square okay, equal to 203 minus 28, because there is no x term, so no need to use the middle term breaking now. So this is 7x square is equal to 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay, so here is 9 minus 2 is 7. So it is 175. Okay, so this implies x square equal to 175 by 7. So 7 will go how many times? 7 2s are 14, 57, 7 5s are 35. So this implies x equal to root over 25 equal to 5. So because x is positive, okay, side and square. So now one side we found 5, the other one we put the value in equation 1. So from 1, so y square is equal to 14 plus 2 into x square means 5 square, that's equal to 14 plus 5 square, 25 plus 2 would be 50. Okay, so that will be 64 because 50 plus 14. So this implies y equal to root over 64 is equal to 8. So therefore the required sides is equal to 5 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Okay, answer.